Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super duper cute fridge magnet for Christmas occasion, and I have created this very cute Santa Claus made using paper quilling strips. I will share how to create the base, how to decorate the edge using flowers, gifts, and how to make this super cute Santa. On backside I have attached the magnet. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I am taking red color strip and just creating one random size ring to create the edge of the magnet, and this is having approx 8 centimeter diameter. So just sticking it nicely using glue, and then we just need to join some more strips to this. So here I am taking red color 5 mm strips and joining total 10 strips together. And then just start rotating it till the last strip. So I have reached till the end. Now just securing it, and the ring is ready. Now here taking white color 3 mm strip, add little glue and start wrapping it around the ring and just create the nice pattern. Since the project is related to Christmas, so I am just using the Christmas shades, that is red and white, just matching with my Santa. And this is completely ready. Looking very pretty, isn't it? Now here I am taking this blue color cardstock circle which is having 8 centimeter diameter, and I have added total 5 layers of circles with each other to make it sturdy. Now it's very nice, sturdy and strong base. So taking one more small piece of white color to create the snow, I have just stirred it from center like this for the real snow effect. And to give little dimension to the snow, here I am adding one piece of mound board. You can also use cardboard. So just adding 2 layers here so that we will have nice dimension to the snow. Then sticking this white piece, cutting the excess paper from backside. And then it's time to connect the ring on top of this. So just trimming the white portion little bit so that it will have space to connect the ring. And then sticking the ring nicely. And the base is ready. Then here I am taking peach color strips in 3 mm to create the face of Santa, and I have joined total 3 strips together. So circle is ready. And I'm just checking whether the size is perfect or not. Yes, this is perfect. Now taking my quilling mold and just shaping it like a dome and filling this with glue. So the face is ready. Then to create the upper body, here I have taken 3 red and 1/4 strip of white color and just created one big tight coil using 3 mm strips. Now just opening this using pencil and my fingers to create the cone shape. Here I am making the hat for the Santa. So this is done. Just twisted the cone from top, filling this using glue, and the hat is ready. Now I am just sticking the hat with the face. Similarly, I have prepared one more cone for the upper body, which is made using 4 strips of red color in 3 mm. Then taking one piece of white color cardstock, and I am arranging my Santa on this cardstock first, and then we'll just fussy cut it after making whole Santa, so that it will have nice flat base on back side, so that we can connect it on the magnet base. So here I have attached the cap and the shirt. Now to make hands, I am taking half strip of red color in 3 mm and making one cone shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more, so just adding glue inside both the cones. Now I am sticking the hands, just bending it little bit and then sticking with the shirt. Then taking one very teeny strip of white color in 3 mm and making the beard hairs, just a simple coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more, and now it's time to attach this. So I have already attached some. In the bottom row, I am using these open coils. And then on top of this, I am adding tight coils. And the beard is ready. Then created this cone for the legs, which is made using 1.5 strip of red color in 3 mm. Now I am showing you how to make boots. For this, I am taking 1.5 strip of maroon color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Just joining tight coils with the legs. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg with the boots. Now here I have added the palm using half strip of peach color in 3 mm. This is simple, a dome shape. So added on both the side palms, and also created the ears, which are made using 1/4 strip of 2 mm peach color. Added 1/4 strip tight coil in the center for nose and 2 leaf shapes for the moustache. Then I am sticking the legs. And the super cute Santa is ready. Now to create the belt, here I am taking small piece of black color strip. And for the buckle, I have taken yellow color square. On top of this, I have added one small piece of black color square. So just attaching the buckle exactly in the center. Then adding 2 small black color circles for the eyes. I am taking 2 layers of eyes on both the sides to have little dimension. And very cute Santa Claus is ready. Then I am going to fussy cut the excess paper from the edge And you should do this step after drawing each and every quilled parts. Like this. So cute. Then taking back my base, and since we have added the dimension to the snow, so we have to add the dimension to the Santa as well on top. So I'm just taking one small bunch of cardboards, added blue paper on top just to match with the background, and then taking my Santa Claus and sticking it on the base. Like this. Then to create flowers, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. You can also use 3 mm strips. Just wrapping pink color strip around this. So in same way we have 5 petals, so just joining all the petals together. For the center of the flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color in 2 mm and making one tight coil and just sticking it on the flower. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower and 2 small flowers which are made using 1/4 strip in pink color. Now to create small gift, here I am taking small cardboard squares, just joining some pieces together to have dimension, and then wrapping pink color paper strips around this. And the gift is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more gift using blue color strip. Now taking back my magnet base, and to have nice base to the flower, I am adding green color coils in the bottom, then adding some scrolls. If you want to learn how to create scrolls, just check the description box for links. Then adding 2 flowers in the corner, and similarly adding 2 more flower with scroll in top right corner. Then sticking the gifts. And to add the snow effect, I am taking here silver color stones. So just randomly adding on the blue portion. And this is done. Now it's time to attach the magnet. So using my glue and sticking this strong magnet on the back side, allow it to dry. And the super cute and very pretty Santa Claus magnet for the Christmas is ready. In this way you can create so many Santa Claus magnets and gift it to your friends with the unique idea. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.